In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split transactions in QuickBooks Online. Managing your finances effectively often comes down to capturing every detail, and QuickBooks Online makes it easy to handle even the most specific transaction scenarios. Splitting transactions allows you to allocate a single payment or deposit across multiple categories, ensuring your records are accurate and reflect the true purpose of every dollar. Whether you're a small business owner or managing personal finances, this tutorial will walk you through the steps to split transactions with ease. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Let's jump right into it. First, start by clicking on the Transactions option located in the left-hand panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is your central hub for all financial activity in your account. Once you're in the Transactions section, navigate to the Bank Transactions tab. This is where you'll find the detailed records of all the transactions associated with your linked accounts. Next, select the correct account from the drop-down menu or the list of accounts displayed. This step is crucial because you want to ensure that you're working with the right transaction data. Take a moment to confirm that you've chosen the account where the transaction you want to split is recorded. Now, scroll through the list of transactions and locate the specific one you'd like to split. QuickBooks Online organizes these transactions chronologically, so you can use the date, amount, or description to help you identify it more quickly. Once you've found the transaction, click on it to open its menu or options. From there, look for the Split option and click on it. This will open a new window where you can enter the details of the split. Here's where you'll specify how the transaction should be divided. You can allocate different portions of the transaction to multiple account categories. For example, if a single purchase covers both office supplies and travel expenses, you can split the amount between those categories. Enter the details carefully, including the account categories, a brief description for each portion, and the exact amounts. Take your time here to ensure that everything is accurate. Misallocating amounts or selecting the wrong categories can lead to confusion later when you review your financial reports. Once you've entered all the details, double-check your allocations for accuracy. Look over the amounts, categories, and descriptions to confirm that everything adds up and aligns with your records. It's always a good idea to take an extra moment to review your work before finalizing it. When you're satisfied with the details, click on the Split and Add button to save your changes. This action will update the transaction record in QuickBooks Online, reflecting the adjustments you've just made. The transaction will now appear split in your records, making it easier to track and analyze your finances. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.